I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss what lookup transformation in Informatica Power Center. So this is the video lecture 47 of this Informatica class series, and this is important point about the lookup transformation in Informatica. So here the lookup transformation is used to retrieve the data based on condition, and with the help of lookup transformation, we can import a lookup definition for any flat file, non-relational file, relational table. Okay, from there we can import. So let's understand with the example. So opening mapping designer, and this is our mapping M lookup. So first here going to use their escort, and using here escort. So this is the table inside there, and with the help of lookup transformation we can join or table to file, table to table, and here heterogeneous table also. So let's see here record inside this escort EMP table. So giving the condition there, and now you can see this is the record inside there. So here you can see DPT number. This is random order. So to improve the mapping performance, you need to do here or sort the any particular column. So DPT making up, and they're giving the value 1. So if source has relational, you should give there. So if I give 1, then on this first position column, this do the sorting there. So here this, and now the next is let's take their lookup transformation. So let's take their lookup transformation. This is the lookup transformation. So you can use their target, and you can use their source. Here you can get their source. This all available. Or if you want, then you can import relational table. Or if you want, then you can import their flat file. So I already have the file. So you can see this all. So going to use the DPT of flat file. Okay. So let's click on this. Okay. So flat file, that's come there. After that, let's select this all. So select this all and dragging inside there. So here DPT number. So both same automatically here lookup transformation or create the unique name for DPT number. After that, the most important thing, you need to specify the condition. So you need to go on this, and here you can see DPT number taken. If you want, then you can give any particular column there, and there you can see when you are using inside the lookup transformation as a flat file, then you can see these properties are disabled there. So here flat file is the source for the lookup transformation. So most of the property that disable. So the next is here. So this all I will discuss later, and here this all important property I will discuss the later. Okay, and thereafter click on this apply. Okay, and using their target dummy, and selecting this all. Thereafter let's save that and opening the workflow manager. So workflow manager, the next is let's take their mapping M lookup 1. Thereafter here we need to set some properties. So SQEMP, that's come from escort. So escort, and no need to change there. You can see this all properties, and dummy, that come from HR, and let's enable this. And here we need to give the important, say this is for lookup transformation, we need to give here source file directory. So the file you should give there. So let's use flat file. This is inside our DPT a flat file is there. So copy this location and pasting there. And thereafter here, this is the flat file is there. So let's click on this rename and copy and paste it there. So flat file is CSV tab. So flat file CSV tab, then you can give the extension, and here in the last you need to give here lookup cache directory. So let's give here or this location. So cache directory, selecting this all, and now give there. After that, lookup transformation property that has been stated there, apply, OK. And the next is, let's go on this task, link task, and save and right click there. Then click on this start task. So here you can see this succeeded. And if I go there, 1414, that's incoming and outgoing is the 14. So thereafter, let's check the record. So this dummy that's come from HR, giving here. Now you can see. So this is the flat file record. Here you can see this is, and this come from the relational table. So relational table, you record, you can see there. So if the here generally lookup transformation do here equigen. So here you can see 10-10 match. Then this record is now loading 10 match, 20 match, 30 match. So only matching record that's displaying there. Okay, so this is the flat file record and this is the relational table record. So with the help of this lookup transformation, we can join there or relational to relational, flat file to relational, this all. So this is the definition is there. So with the help of this lookup transformation, we can retrieve the data based on condition and use the lookup transformation in mapping, look up the data. To get the data, we can use there. And in relational field file or relational table view synonyms, we can use. And we can import lookup definition for any flat file, non-relational file, relational table, this all. So if you want, then you can take the relational table. So here one thing, if I go, so most of the properties are disabled when you are using lookup transformation. When our source is flat file. But if you are using lookup transformation and there, so this time I'm going to use this source as the relational table. So let's take the source as the relational table. So going to use their DPT. And now if I go this, then you can see most of the properties are enabled. Okay, here these properties are enabled. So important thing is, let's give here condition first. So let's here, okay, one thing. So if I go on this condition, you cannot do that because we need to drag this all. So select this all and dragging inside there. After that, you can get here the condition tab is enabled. So DPT, that's fine. And here, if I scroll down, then you can see this is the important properties. Lookup condition is DPT number and DPT numbers must be same. And thereafter, not doing any changes currently. So let's click on this apply, OK. So thereafter, let's select this all and here save that. And the most important thing is we need to refresh the session, save that. And now the next is let's go on this mapping. So this come from escort, this come from HR, and this here lookup. That's we need to give the source for the lookup. So this come from escort. And no need to change and let's click on this apply. Okay, and save that, and there start the task. Then you can see there this is running succeeded. And now if I go inside on this, and here let's check this preview and giving the password. Then you can see here this is lookup table records. This is the lookup table record, and this is here source qualifier or records. Okay, so with the help of this we can join the two files with by using the lookup transformation. Okay, so this is the basic thing about the lookup transformation in Informatica Power Center. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.